I guess. Microphone is on. Alright, going into clean out. They have used it several times. Everything's flowing good. Offset underneath the iron body clean out and going into the iron. Alright, going under the street. Iron's not in the greatest shape. I've seen worse. Looks like it's been holding water about halfway full a lot of times. Hard to say. We are now almost 20 feet into the street. Oh, where's the main? Oh, there we go. Looks like it's turning down. Yep, there's a turn down. That looks like a city sewer main. Yep, terracotta main right there. Swell. A little bit suspect right there. That looks kind of like a root, but that's the city's problem. Alright, yep. It's pretty good. They should be A-OK from here on out.